The hands-on learning experiences I had in the Missouri Hospitality Management program that prepared me for my career, probably the largest one would be my Capstone Class. They made us, I was in a team, basically it was a cohort, and we had to come up with a whole dinner series. So we had to come up with the theme, the menu, we had to do the marketing, and we had to make the food, do all the ordering, and then actually have guests come and serve them, and we got graded on everything, from the food to the professionalism to how many people showed up to how much money we raised to the cost. It was truly the whole picture. While it was hard at the time, now looking back on it, I realized that I learned things then that have truly made an impact and a difference on my professional career. So I'm very thankful for those.